Hello everybody, I'm Thomas the Tank Engine, and we are all here to introduce you to the newest series called the Trackmaster Tank Engine Show. And here I've got my best friend Percy, Henry, Gordon, and Diesel, Charlie, Emily, Nia, Freddie, James, Bert, Spencer, Salty, and Salty. We are all excited because our friend Trainboy Productions 2005 wanted us to be in his videos. Trainboy Productions started making his videos ever since 2021. And his channel have joined in YouTube ever since 2019. And we will show you some of the short/episodes, MLB bashing, a couple of parodies, and other things. Hold on a minute, Thomas. Is Bulgy going to be in this series as well? Don't be ridiculous. Of course I'm going to be in this series as well. Okay. Well, anyways, we'll be showing other characters from other different shows as well, like McQueen, Mater, Luigi, Guido, Ramon, Sheriff, Fillmore, and other characters. You mean it? Of course I do, Mater. My favorite episode is Percy and the Broken Switches. My favorite episode is the episode which me, Ari, and Bert bullied some of the engines. My favorite episode is Nia Helps Out. My favorite episode is The Tedious Tale of Timothy. My favorite episode is Spencer the Show Off. Same here. My favorite episode is Henry and the Elephant. And my favorite episode is Thomas and GINA, and Thomas and the Magic Railroad, and Thomas the Evil Bus Driver. Well, we had to restart some of this because of Billy. Because Billy was acting dumb and he was ruining everything. And always trying to act cute.
Hey, I heard that. Whatever.
And the episode that Billy likes is The Great Donut Capers, where he and Dennis stole donuts from the confectionery shop. So, and my other favorite episode is an Easter Eye Opener, which is great. I always believe in everyone, like Santa Claus, the Easter Bunny, and leprechauns and everything. Even I believe in the Powerpuff Girls too. Ooh. So stay tuned, and we'll see you in shorts/episode 1.